These are my friends, they're snowman. They're here to help us with some winter snowman activities. Hello, I'm Sandra. Welcome to my channel. This is music class teaching tips for any teacher who's using music and movement activities in their classroom or at home. Today's video is going to have some winter music activities. And then to reading rhythms, playing rhythms, and singing solfege. The game is a little song I made up, and it goes like this. Snowman, snowman, what's your name? Can you help us play the game? Now the game is the students are going to come up with a name for the snowman. I've played a lot of games through many years in the classroom, and I know there's going to be maybe even up to a third of the students who are going to go, I don't know. Not sure. I don't want to do that. Be prepared for that and just tell them if they don't have an idea and they need more time, that's okay. For the game, you're gonna use the word snowman. Or you could maybe choose something different. You could brainstorm ahead, do a circle map. I'm just gonna give you the basics of the game and then Snowman, snowman, what's your name? Can you help us play the game? Have them learn that little chant, and then we'll go around the circle. You could choose to just have a couple students who have an idea, put those up on the board first and have them write the rhythm, and then later you could go around the circle. So you could break this down so it goes a little slower, maybe even do it over a couple different classes and weave it in with your other things. That's cool. That's how we start the game, then singing the solfege. For the solfege part of the game, I like to use a puppet. And I just have the puppet on a glass, it's plastic or any plastic cup will work. I'm going to use the snowman to show the high-low of the pitch. Snowman, snowman, what's your name? Can you help us play the game? I have some pictures that you can use that go with the game, or you could sing it on so me, so me. You could ooh it, lots of different ways. However way you teach it, that's the melody of the song. And then I would have the children learn it, and I have some visuals I would have them read. I could have a student come up and point to the visuals and then have them sing it as a solo. I could put them in groups and have them all sing it and sign it and have the groups perform. So there's lots of ways that I could maximize this simple game into a complete whole lesson activity. The snowman really helps show the high-low, the pitch, and it also keeps the kids' attention up here. And so now that we've gone through the rhythm, we've done the melody, we know how to play the game, then you have lots of choices you can make. You can do the rhythm where they go through and they create a name for the snowman, snowy, fluffy. You might get a lot of those kind of things, and that's okay. Freezing, fluffy, lots of funny names for the snowman. Let's see, silly snowman. And then you can move on, maybe a class or two later, you could do this as the solfege one and they could sing it, silly snowman, fluffy snowman, freezing snowman. They love it. They're creating, they're participating, they're leading, they're engaged, and I just love games like this. They are really fun to play. Another thing you can do with this is you can divide them into groups and have them come up with their own snowman rhythms and melodies, and you can have them write them. In the Sing, Play, Create free resource library, I have all the materials you need for this activity. They're in a couple different downloads. So there's rhythm strips for 4-beat patterns. There's also a snowman rhythm activity that would go really well with this, where they put a snowman together using rhythms. This freebie has 4 different activities in it for winter and snow music class activities. I hope you enjoyed learning some activities for your winter music classes, especially for that week that's right after the break. I'm Sandra. I appreciate you coming today and watching this video. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music. Sing, play, create.